54% of Canadians are living paycheck to paycheck, and I'm going to tell you why. My name is Louisa and I'm a financial professional in the Toronto area. So I'm going to tell you why Canadians are living paycheck to paycheck. One of the reasons, not enough income. In today's economy, everything is very expensive. One solution would be to create a budget for yourself so that whatever is coming in, you know what's going out. From there, you can plan how much you can save. Most people think that they need to make more money before they should start saving. That is very wrong. If you can't save money when you're not making money, you're not going to save money when you are making it. So here's the way to do it. Budget. If you have an extra $50 at the end of the month to put away, you can put away half of that. It's all about the habit. I actually have a budget tracker that you can use yourself at home so you can see where your money is going. But I'm gonna walk you through it. So this budget tracker, you put your expenses in there. You also put how much income you're receiving. There are sections for your travel. It could be for your car. It could be for taking the bus, whatever it is. It's your subscriptions, groceries, insurance, your cell phone costs money. Everything that you pay for gets plugged into this budget tracker. It's amazing. It's simple to use. And it automatically adds and subtracts everything for you. And then at the bottom, you will see how much money you have at the end of the month, if you have anything. Could be 20 bucks, could be 200 bucks. Whatever it is for you, you need to have clarity around your money. You can do this on your own, or you can talk to somebody who's a professional in your area. So now that you've used the budget tracker for yourself, and you have some clarity around your own situation, now you can see some of the things that you need to cut out. It could be all the dining out, it could be ordering in, it could be Amazon. Amazon sucks a lot of money out of people's pockets, myself included. So let's go back to that 54% of Canadians who are living paycheck to paycheck. Maybe you can relate to this. Maybe you know somebody like this. I sit down with a lot of people and they're struggling. So one of those solutions would be the budget tracker. Another solution would be talking to a professional to help you organize your finances. What does organizing your finances look like? Your assets versus your liabilities. So everything that you own versus everything that you owe. Another thing you need to know is what I call your financial independence number. Have you ever thought about how much money you need to have saved so that you can stop working? Maybe you love what you do and you'll always work. I'm one of those people. But you want to know that you can stop one day and you're not having to grind. Your financial independence number, that's the amount of money, that lump sum amount of money that you need to have saved so that you can stop working. Retire. What does that look like for you? It looks different for everybody because everybody wants to retire at a different age. Everybody envisions their retirement differently. I would bet that most people don't want to retire living paycheck to paycheck. So where's that income coming from? It's coming from your investments and your savings. Having your money in the proper investment is where you can earn passive income. A professional can help you to put your money in an investment where your money is working harder for you. You already work hard for your money. Now you want your money to work for you. Now we're going to figure out how much you can put towards your emergency fund, towards your recreation fund, towards your future fund. It's not a one size fits all. Everybody is unique, just as you are. One way is to talk to a professional like myself to help you with your unique situation, or you can continue to watch my videos. I post them every day. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.